Hello, 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 hello. What is up, everyone? It's your boy, the Crypto Decipher, back at you again with another doozy. All right. So let's talk about the big elephant in the room, and that is we are kind of in a bear market right now. Everything is. Let me just show you real quick. Oh, it's red. It's the complete opposite of how it was the other day. All right. I mean, we're talking about like lots of coins having double-digit losses. Double-digit losses. That includes the Bitcoin. I'm not surprised that Bitcoin Cash was one of the highest losers today. Litecoin. Let's see who else lost. Pretty much. Ethereum lost a little bit at 13-14%. It was a lot higher this morning. But this is what you should expect from the crypto world. And if most of the people watching my video are new to this realm, what a way to welcome you guys, all right? So I'm going to talk about a few things today. I'm going to talk about what to expect in the future, especially on red days like these. I'm going to talk about news and pretty much just let you know what I think the reason is behind this pitfall today. All right. So let's actually go by the market cap. So Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all. All right. Today was kind of a bad day. For a lot of Bitcoin holders. Bitcoin was actually down to $30,000, $30,549. So that's about $11,000 to $12,000 below the all-time high, which was only achieved a few days ago, right? I mean, let's see here. All-time high of 41,941. So yeah, that was just achieved. Literally just achieved 3 days ago. And then today we have this growling bear market just coming back and pushing back, because here's the thing, folks. There are people that have been holding Bitcoin since it was less than a cent, okay? And there are also people holding Bitcoin when it was $1,000, when it was $5,000, 10,000, 15. You get the point. So what people are doing right now, especially institutions, they're triggering a massive sell-off, which means folks are selling to make some profit. And when that happens, the people with the weakest hands, generally like your normal people, your normal average Joe, they come in and they start selling off based off reaction, not because they're making profit. It's all based on reaction. So this is a reactionary sale. It happens a lot in crypto. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but this is a very normal thing in crypto. That's why a lot of people are able to make money in crypto, because they can weather the storm. You know what I mean? Like, check your emotions and kind of just go with it, okay? Don't react. So if today was a bad day, guess what? Do not react. Just look at it, observe, and do something else, all right? If it's not for that, then you're going to spend money. I mean, I'm saying you're going to sell, and then you're going to lose money. So that's what's going on right now in the crypto world, all right? It's just a healthy correction. Every time Bitcoin goes on an all-time high, it goes back 15-20%, and that's normal. So for people that are freaking out right now, just catch your breath, meditate, do some other activity, get back to your work, maybe start working instead of thinking, oh, I'm going to go to the moon with Bitcoin. But I mean, this is just to be expected. Let me zoom in, okay? Let me zoom in and show you where Bitcoin was when I got in. All right. So it was around this area, like beginning of March, 1200, right? Nothing happened. It got a little bit. It went down a little bit. Got up a little bit, to 4,000. Went down a little bit, right? Got up. And actually, let's talk about that. There was a little mini crash in July. That was my first crash, and I was like freaking out because I didn't know what to do. It was kind of shitty. Yes, Here you go. So the whole market crashed and it bottomed out. I think this is the lowest crypto has been for a long time anyways. So bottomed out at $2,000 and then it kind of accumulated. This is the accumulation phase right here. And then when we zoom back out, we went on this parabolic run at the end of 2017 where it reached the previous all-time high of 19,896, and that was the all-time high for a really long time. As you can see here, this is another low here, but I'm gonna go show you like how low it's been going. All right, so in November of 2018, December of 2018, Bitcoin was really low. Like we're talking about $3,700. That's insane. And that was the bottom. Alright, around here. So this is something you should expect with cryptocurrency. Alright, I'm talking about the whole cryptocurrency market. I'm not just talking about Bitcoin. I'm talking about everything else, because the reason why you're seeing such a massive bloody day is because once Bitcoin starts going down, everything follows. Okay? The only time we see Bitcoin kind of stabilizing and then the altcoins going up is when we have the alt season or the reversing. But this is just a normal day. Now, take a look at Tether. People are going to Tether obviously because they want to lock in the profits. $179 billion in volume. Insane. Now, while we're talking about all the bad that's been happening, let's talk about some indicative things, okay, that will give you a kind of a clue into the future. So look at XRP. With all the FUD that's going on, with all the red that's going on today, it only got down to like 7%. Okay, let's talk about Cardano. Less than 10%, 9.6%. Stellar Lumens only lost 4.3%. Okay, Chainlink lost, but Chainlink hasn't been gaining. I mean, Chainlink is still in the accumulation phase. It's going to go to about $30 at the end of the month, or maybe at the end of this. If you can even call it a bearish cycle, all right. This is how you know the strength of some of them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not really a believer in Theta. Where is Polkadot? Polkadot went down 10%. It's a good time to buy in. Neo went down 11%. I mean, it was kind of on the climb up. Crypto coin, look at that, 12%. Now, if you buy into crypto coin and you're staking 2,500 CROs for 6 months, you get their I think it's a Ruby or Jade, one of them, the Ruby metal card, which is kind of cool. And then above that, I believe is 25,000 CROs for 6 months. So at this price, I mean, think about it, folks. I mean, you know, you can get a cool card that you can use crypto out of. Dash went down a little bit, but this is to be expected. It's just a normal thing that happens in crypto. I wouldn't really worry too much about it. These are days that if you're a trader, you try to buy on these sales, you know, like any one of these coins, buy. Even Icon. See, Icon, as I talked about in the previous video, and I talked about it in the previous video to the previous video, 2 videos ago. This is the most under valued coin in crypto right now, sitting at 60 cents or 61 cents. Very bullish on Icon. I'm going to keep talking about Icon to the end because the team is doing some real work, and this is just an awesome project, right? Nexo, solid company, solid idea, but as you can see, some profit taking. iOS hasn't lost much. Actually, iOS has gained. This is actually a very good indication that iOS is going to do really well once the actual backers are in there. Let's go to the second page. You know, let's go to the Goulard and talk about what's going on. Boy. Look at that. Some of these guys just took a beating. Nobody's paying attention to them. Pundi X, 16% down, but if you consider the fact that it's been up 120% over the last 7 days, is insane. Let's see, Helium, I'm very, very bullish on, because there is an actual product, folks. Like, this is not a shit coin, okay? I mean, there might be some Bitcoin purists or enthusiasts, those who say that Bitcoin is their religion and all that stuff, and they might even go around and name their first or second kid after Bitcoin. Even those guys will admit, if there's a real product behind a company or behind a coin, then it just makes it infinitely better to invest in those. All right? Because there's a working product, folks. That's it. Not just a white paper. There's a working product. That's all I'm saying. Komodo. I mean, some of these are actually, look at IODEX. If you're accumulating right now, you should be accumulating as much as possible, because, when these guys are moving at a rocket, they're going to be moving at a speed of light. That's the speed of light, going up, not down, if you got that hint. But, just buy some of these, man, and just hold on, and only invest the amount of money you're willing to lose. Nothing crazy. All right. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm just giving you a reassurance that we've seen this so many times in the cycles. This happened in 2013. This happened in 2017, 18. Now it's going to happen because we have had a parabolic rise from the bottom of Bitcoin. We're talking about from September 6th at $10,000 all the way to 40,000. That's a 10x, folks. Sorry, not 10x. That's a 4x gain. And if you go from September to this, and if you only invested $10,000, you're gaining $30,000 profit. Of course, you're going to take that, because Bitcoin is king, and the king never dies. So, just saying. Again, invest at your own risk, because I'm not a financial advisor. But be mindful of what's going on. Alright? I can refresh this right now, but it's probably down by like $400. The whole market cap, you know what I'm saying? Like, the whole crypto market cap is down by 8%. But the last 4 or 5 days has been increasing by about 9% each day. Okay? So a little pullback is normal. This is the day that the strongest, or those that are going to make a lot of money from this, are actually going to be seen and tested. Are you going to sell? Or are you going to buy? Look at history. Now, let's go talk a little bit about the current events. All right, what's going on in the moment? That's not just talking about the damn correction, or healthy correction of 7%. All right. Let's see. Look at this. It says eye-popping projection for a $3 trillion crypto market underpins the bakkt deal, which is an exchange that went public, and I think they're valued around $2.1 billion, which is going to be crazy. So, if you want to mix a little bit of crypto with a little bit of stock, you can wait for the Coinbase IPO, maybe buy into that, because I feel like it's going to elevate to like new levels that stocks have not seen in a long time. But yeah, this is awesome, guys. Like, just don't get discouraged by what's going on. All right, there's nothing really crazy going on right now. We're in a bear market. It's a slight bear market. I'll come back and do another video analysis in about 2 days to see where we are. But I bet you it's going to be very different. So all I'm going to tell you, if you're going to listen to me, is buy Icon. Just buy Icon. It's going to go to the moon and above and beyond. It's going to do 20, 30, 40x from this price range right now. And it's available on Binance, Crypto.com, So those are the only two I'll, maybe Kraken if you want to dabble in that, but I'll just go with crypto.com or Binance. It's just a sale. Sales are happening. When sales happen, you buy. Don't be like those idiots that are gonna buy high and sell low. Be the smart one. Check your emotion, buy low, and sell high. You'll thank me tomorrow. Or the next day, maybe next week. But I'm just giving you reassurance, folks. This happens a lot in crypto. You need to have steady hands because the market cap for crypto right now is just a little under $1 trillion, and it's going to go back up. So what happened today, actually, I want to talk a little bit about this. Let me zoom in a little bit, all right? Why is it not doing that? So what happened today when it got down to $30,000 and went back up to, I think it went back up to like 35, I believe. It's called the dead cat bounce. So if you can see the chart here, it's going down, 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 and then as soon as it hits the support, it bounces back a little bit, like when a dead cat, boom, hits it and comes back up. That's what you're seeing right now. I expect Bitcoin to go down maybe for another 2 days. The bear market is not just going to end today, but what you should do in this bear market is wait for the dead cat bounce to pass, and then not Bitcoin, but you could buy projects like Icon, Chain, Pundi X, EOS, iOS, Xrp, which is holding on very strong because Xrp has taken a hell of a beating. When a coin takes a hell of a beating, it means only the strong survive, and the strong don't sell off based on speculation or based on a little bear market. So that's what I'm saying, folks. Crypto is still looking good. Crypto is still the way to make millions of dollars in this day and age, and it's still the greatest transfer of wealth in our generation. Again, thank you for watching my video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, because most of my people that watch my video are not subscribed to me. So please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Smash, just smash the heck out of the like button, and make sure you check the bell icon so you'll be notified next time I come out with a video. Maybe I could help you, sway you from selling off. Alright folks, it's your boy Crypto Decipher. Thanks again for watching my videos. Until next time, peace.